people, what's up? Thank you so much for coming and watch my video. This is gonna be the first lesson for me to teach you Indonesian lesson or Bahasa Indonesia. So please try to help me with like, comment, and subscribe on the video down below, as this lesson is gonna be for free and feel free to learn with me together. Alright, so today I'm going to teach you a really basic Indonesian lesson. Feel free to always visiting my YouTube channel down here. You can click and please subscribe down below, and we are going to learn everything start from today. And please don't forget to always check my video every day. So today's lesson I have the basic Indonesian alphabet. Of course, that's going to be really the basic one that you need to learn. Let's go. Okay, Indonesian alphabet is actually we have 126 alphabet that you need to remember.
Oh no!
I'm just kidding. It's not Japanese. It's not kanji, katakana, hiragana. No, it's not. We basically have the same alphabet with English alphabet, which is 26 letters, and the same vowel. But what to make it different? Of course, the way you pronounce it, that's going to be really different. Well, if you are a Spanish speaker or if you're an English speaker, that's not going to be too difficult for you to learn this alphabet, as it's going to pronounce almost the same. All right, we will start with this one. A. Aqua. B. Bell. Che. Please notice something that usually a lot of foreigner try to pronounce this as C or ch. It's gonna be che. Cherry, the way that you pronounce cherry, ch. De. Desk. E. すみません。Elf. F. Try to put your teeth off here. F. The same with English. F. Folk. G. Is it like a peanut butter stick on your mouth? G. Gas. Ha. Ha. Hint. Okay, let's repeat again together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. E. Ink. J. Just. Car. L. M. N. O. P. Key. Is basically like the K and I. Key. R. Alright, so you're gonna roll your tongue. This is the challenge for all the most foreigner people, and they can't really pronounce it. So it's gonna be the same with the Spanish speaker, as I told you before. It's the same. S. T. U.
Oh my God.
V. W. X. Y. Z. Okay. That's it. Let's repeat again. Because this is going to be really difficult for you to remember, so I'm going to tell you about the alphabet song.
Wow.
Let's go sing with me together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. One more time. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Wow.
Alright, so you can always review this alphabet song in the down link below that I tried to put on this video. You can always check it out there, and this is a video recommendation for you to learn Indonesian alphabet song. Alright, part 2